this is for April 2023. From the regular category, 19,958 have appeared for this examination and 19,288 passed this examination, and the pass percentage is 96.64%. So there is an increase of 3.9%, almost close to 4%. This is the gender-wise result. Boys 10,071 appeared, passed 9,706, no reserve category, and pass percentage is 96.37. And as usual, the girls have they have performed well than the boys. Out of 9,887 girls, 9,582 passed this examination. One girl's reserve is kept in the reserve category. The result is kept in the reserve category, and the pass percentage is 96.92%. Overall percentage is 96.64.